Ever scrolled through an app like Bigo Live and wondered, are people actually making money on this thing? Well, the answer is a huge yes. And today, I'm breaking down exactly what Bigo Live is, how regular people earn real cash from it, and how you can get started. So first things first, let's talk about what Bigo Live is. What's Bigo Live? So Bigo Live is a massive live streaming social platform where people broadcast themselves to a global audience. Streamers are playing games, singing, hosting talk shows, or just hanging out and chatting. It's a place for entertainment, community, and most importantly, creating real income. Now, how do you get paid? It all revolves around Bigo Live diamonds. Here's how it works. First, and this is the main way, you earn by receiving virtual gifts. Your viewers buy gifts like cars or roses using bins in the app. When they send these to you during your live stream, those gifts are converted into diamonds for you. Second, you convert those diamonds to cash. This is the magic. You can cash out your diamonds for real money. The approximate conversion is 10 diamonds equals about 5 cents. So if a viewer sends you a gift worth 100 diamonds, that's roughly $5 in your pocket. There are also other ways to earn, like monthly challenges with cash prizes, weekly competitions, and hosting parties with other streamers. Your main goal is to build a loyal audience that enjoys your content and supports you with gifts. Let me paint a mental picture. If you're that person who's very good at singing, you're very good at hosting, those shows where you entertain people who are watching you, all you have to do is you go live on Bigo Live. As you're singing, those people are enjoying your show will begin to send you gifts. Those are virtual gifts. So those virtual gifts are the ones that you convert into real cash. Okay? So that's how it goes down. There are other ways through which you earn on the app, but I'm going to be showing you all that in other videos that I'm yet to roll out. For now, let me show you how to create your account, how to verify it, and be set for success on the app. Let's get kickstarted. In case you don't know what Bigo Live looks like, this is the one here. So in order to quickly get to where it is, you simply click the link in the description section and you'll be prompted to install it. So let me open it and boom, here we are. So since it's the first time, the best that you can ever do is to sign in with your Google account. If you want, you can sign in with your phone number, but I would rather you use Google account. So I'm gonna go by sign in with Google. So you'll be prompted to select the email address by which you want to sign up. So let me see. Let me go by headboard. Alright, so if this one comes up, you can either cancel it or simply update it. Alright, so once you click or you punch in the email address, you need to select the gender. Are you male? Are you female? So I'm gonna go by male. Here, on many apps, once you choose your gender, you can't reverse that. Okay? So if you're feminine, make sure that you go by female. If you're male, make sure you go by male. Then you can either either click next, or you can actually punch in your date of birth. Okay, so I'm gonna click the arrow at the far right there, and 1986 November 8th. Boom, then we confirm. Then we can hit next. So everything has been set, right? So I can click me, and then click in the top right on that avatar. So here I can now begin to edit the details of my profile. So you see, I click here where there is 37%, and then here where there is H, I'll need to upload the picture. So I'll simply tap there, and I'm going to be taken to my album on my phone. If I want, I can just take a picture right from here, take a photo. Okay, so I found the pic, and here we go. I'm going to click done after uploading it, and it's automatically getting beautified. So here we go. I'm gonna hit done, and that one has actually been uploaded. Seen that? So I'll need to click here where it says real person authentication, so as to authenticate my account. Very important. Click at the arrow there. You will have an exclusive authentication badge, priority in-app message. So I'm gonna click activate now. Say complete specific gestures to authenticate. Okay, so here we go. Click agree. Saying Bigo Live would like to access your camera for authentication, so you simply confirm. Then you hit while using this app. So here we go. So saying blink. So you have to make sure that when you are there is proper illumination. So it's been done. Simply hit OK. Yeah, so after authentication, make sure that you fill in all these details. Yeah, that's how we roll. So after you're done, when you roll back to the main page, you'll be prompted to authenticate your avatar. And then when you get back here, you'll be prompted to bind your email. So just click enter here and then hit next. So the verification email will be sent to your email inbox. Just head over there. Let me show you. And there it is. So I simply click the email and then hit verify email address. And you'll finally see this. And once you hit continue, you will see a notification indicating that your email has been verified. And there we go. It's been done. You can also bind your phone number by simply clicking enter. There we go. Punch in your phone number, a code will be sent. Okay, and then you punch it in. So to recap, Bigo Live is a platform where you can earn money by building a community and receiving virtual gifts that convert to cash. Your first mission is to create your account and explore the app. If this guide was helpful, please like this video and subscribe. If you're watching from YouTube, if you're watching from Facebook, make sure that you follow me for more tips on growing your audience and earning on Bigo Live. Let me know in the comments what kind of streams you want to create. Thanks for watching. This is Dog Mountain.